Shark Hair Blow Dryer HyperAIR Fast Drying. Ultra Fast Drying. HyperAIR IQ technology intelligently combines high-velocity heated air and ionized air for ultra-fast drying with no heat damage. Intelligent heat control measures outlet heat up to 1,000 times per second, ensuring consistent temperature and air distribution for quick, even drying so you never have to worry about extreme heat damage. For all hair types. Non-slip grip, durable and easy to use for all hair types. Easy to use. Use clips to section hair while blow drying and styling. Slip-resistant design. Holds your hair dryer in place with a textured top while the bottom of the mat grips the counter. Durable design. Made of silicone to protect your counter and styling tools. What's included? Shark HyperAIR, IQ 2-in-1 concentrator, IQ styling brush and small cleaning brush.
If you like to buy the product, please check out the link to purchase in description below.